It's cold out here. I don't know how this camera's gonna do, but good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you could tell, we are at the commercial property we take care of, Blue Zucchini, and we got the spreader out. Let's talk about it. It is a beautiful, cold morning here in High Point, North Carolina at Blue Zucchini restaurant here on North Main Street. If you haven't been here, you're missing out. It's a good spot to eat, great customer service, you know, all that mess. I've got my Spiker hoodie on, or my Spiker toboggan on, because it's kind of fitting. We are doing salting on this driveway, this parking lot today. We got a lot of snow. I say a lot for us. High Point, North Carolina, we're gonna get about 3 to 5. It's been a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and salt the parking lot. But first I want to get all of these gumballs off, and in the corner over there, we usually do a big pile over there in the corner behind the grease bin. So then every once in a while we'll come and pick it up, clean it out, make it good. But yeah, let's play with some gumballs right quick. There we are. All right. This thing, I've been having a little problem. Well, last couple times I used it, once it gets warmed up, it seems like it just keeps choking itself out. I think I need another fuel filter in there, but we'll get that situated. We have good old Bill, our Husqvarna TS348D. I could have that wrong. I'll definitely put it down below. I think I'm correct, but we're gonna let her warm up. Oh, nope. She's still a little too cold for that. Let's try that again. We're sitting about, I don't know, 28 degrees, give or take. I think she'll warm up now. Yeah, we're sitting about 28 degrees. It's a little nippy. I'm all doubled up over here. Got my snow boots on. Ready to go, baby. All right, let's play with some salt. Let's get that prepped up. took me a while to get off of there. I think something's wrong with my seat switch. I don't know what. And I guess it's just not contacting it well. It's gotta warm up. Still have the 3-point hooked up, just in case we might do some plowing, turn that box blade around that I have, and try to scrape something. That right there, boys and girls, is what we're trying to prevent. I just hopped off the mower and about busted my butt. All right, we got these. Well, first off, Spiker Beanie here, sister company of our owner is Brindley there. I have a Spiker bag spreader in the truck if I need it, but I don't think I will. I think this tow behind is going to do great. I do have to set, set it in the center and just go slow, because I know this thing will fling out real far. Oh, that's not good. That's an old bag. We didn't really spill it if that's where it belongs anyways, right? I gotta bust up some of these chunks. We've had this salt for about a year or two now. Just had it put away in the building and never used it because never needed it. Well, now we do. That's a chunk right there. Just toss that in the parking lot. I only want to put one bag at a time because I don't want to put too much weight on it and pack it down and stop it up. It's going to be a pain in the butt. Hi-ya. That's close enough for government work. Let's spread some salt. issues, not necessarily with it clumping up, but it just it's so heavy it doesn't matter. I don't know. I guess it doesn't bounce around enough. You guys can't even see it. There we go. So I'm gonna try to mix in some of this other stuff. Hopefully make it a little lighter to be able to spray it. Got a big hole. Alright, let's mix that around and give her a try. Alright, just walking around, spreading out the clumps. It did fairly decent. There's a little pot. Let's get that spread. Get you spread. But yeah, it did decent. That white salt seemed like it was too heavy for that spreader. It just kind of packed in and wouldn't really do a whole lot, but mixed it in with some blue bag. Where is it? I'll have to show you later. It's more of a traction control. It's got some other additives, but it did decent. It did decent indeed. We will be back in the morning just to check on this, make sure that it is not frozen, and maybe throw some spot fill in where we need to. But after that, that's all we got. We greatly appreciate you watching. Always make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. You see a little bit more of old Mr. Bill there. Y'all have a good one.